Guys, it's 2025. AI is everywhere. Your phone, your car, your fridge, even your toaster might be smarter than you think. But how does AI actually work? Like, what's going on behind the scenes when you talk to ChatGPT or ask your voice assistant something simple? Let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the field of teaching machines to mimic human intelligence. That means helping computers do things like think, learn, make decisions, and in some cases even hold a conversation like a human. But AI isn't just one single thing. It actually includes three levels of AI. Level 1, artificial intelligence, any system that performs tasks smartly. Level 2, machine learning, where systems improve through data and experience. Level 3, deep learning, a more advanced type of machine learning that uses neural networks to simulate the way the human brain works. Cat recognition example. Let's say you want AI to recognize a cat in a picture. You don't write code saying, cats have fur, 4 legs, and pointy ears. Instead, you give the system thousands or even millions of cat photos. The AI studies those pictures and finds patterns on its own. It learns that certain combinations of pixels, shapes, and colors usually mean that's a cat. Over time, it gets better and better until it can look at a completely new image and say, yep, that's a cat. That's machine learning in action. Now we go deeper into how machines actually learn all this. That's where neural networks come in, especially in deep learning. Imagine a web of connected nodes. These are called neurons. They're organized into layers. The input layer takes in the data. Hidden layers do the heavy thinking. The output layer gives the result. So when you give it an image of a cat, the first layer sees pixels. The next might detect edges or shapes. Further layers might recognize patterns like fur or eyes. Eventually it concludes, this is a cat. This architecture is inspired by how the human brain works, but it's mathematical, not biological. Now let's look at something like ChatGPT. How does it respond to questions, write poems, or help you debug code? Here's what happens. Step 1, it was trained on an enormous amount of data. Books, websites, articles, forums, basically everything publicly available online. Tokens and predictions. Step 2, it doesn't memorize answers. It learns patterns in language. Step 3, when you ask a question like, explain black holes in simple terms, the model breaks your sentence into small chunks called tokens. Then it predicts the next best word again and again until it forms a complete response. Guessing. It's not thinking like a human, it's just really, really good at predicting what text should come next. So where are you seeing AI right now? Your phone's voice assistant? That's AI. Instagram suggesting posts? Also AI. Your car detecting pedestrians or reading street signs? AI again. Even when Netflix recommends what to binge watch next, that's AI learning your preferences from past behavior. This is the part where people often get confused. No, AI doesn't really think. It doesn't understand, it doesn't feel, and it doesn't have self-awareness. But it's really good at simulating understanding. It has seen so many examples of how humans speak, write, and ask questions that it knows how to respond in a way that feels natural, even if it has no real idea what it's saying. And that's what makes it powerful, and sometimes dangerous if we don't use it responsibly. AI is growing fast, and it's not slowing down. We're already seeing AI doing things like helping doctors diagnose diseases, creating art and music, generating human-like video, and even building software and websites with just a prompt. But that also brings responsibility. Ethics and responsibility. The future of AI will depend on how we control it, what rules we set, and how ethically we decide to use it. It's not just about building smart systems, it's about using them wisely. So that's how AI works, step by step, from data to learning to real-world applications. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want part 2, where I explain how ChatGPT was trained or how AI generates images and videos. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, stay private.